My mentor is a doctoral student at MIT. She mentors for Get Magic and works on cancer research. She's from Central Massachusetts, and she enjoys running, playing field hockey, reading, and baking. She also has a twin sister. My project was a climate change website, and I selected this because it is a topic that interests me, as well as a project I wanted to learn how to do. I learned a lot more climate change and environmental science, as well as the basics on how to create a website. And I learned coding basics, website design. I planned it all out, and did background research. I used NASA as a website for a lot of my information. I really enjoyed researching and finding out things that I hadn't known previously, as well as learning to code in general and realizing that I could maybe pursue a career in STEM. And I realized that coding is much harder than I thought it was, and finding information was also hard. In the future, I might attempt to create a website again, hopefully when I will have had more experience. I created a website on global warming with some info on pollution, and my website didn't make it as far as I'd hoped, but I worked hard and yeah.